Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be repairing an Epson printer L3150. As you can see, the two orange lights are blinking. This means we need to reset the waste ink pad counter. We will also be replacing the waste ink pad. To reset the waste ink pad counter, we will be using the Epson adjustment program. I will put a link down below on where you can download the software. Run the software and choose Epson L3150 on the list that says port, then click OK. Now choose waste ink pad counter. Put a check on the main pad counter and the plain pad counter, then click on check. You can see that the main pad counter is at max limit. Put a check on the main pad counter again, and now press initialize and click OK. This will reset the counter back to 0. We are now done resetting the waste ink pad counter. Now we will be replacing the waste ink pad inside this printer. We need to wear gloves for this because it's a bit messy. Removing the back cover. Then remove the waste ink tank. Remove old ink pads. insert the new ink pads to the ink tank. Clean the inside before inserting the waste ink tank back. Now place the cover back, and we are done. If you find my videos helpful or entertaining, I would really appreciate your support by subscribing to my channel. Your support would mean the world to me, and it keeps me motivated to create more content for you. A voiceover in this video was done by cloning my own voice using AI. If you want to know how I did it, I will be making a video about it soon. So click on the notification bell to get notified on my next video.